Okay, let's continue to multiply rational expressions. And I'll start by just combining the numerators and the denominators. I stuttered there for a second. Whoops. So 5q times 14pq. Here we go. Okay. Now, there's a 10 here, a 5 down there. I can divide both of them by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is just 2. And 5 divided by 5 is just 1. Over here, I have a 21 and I have a 14. I can divide both by 7. So 21 over 7 is 3. And 14 divided by 7 is 2. Okay. Now, I also have a p over here and a p over there. P divided by p, 1. So they cancel out as well. So far, we have 3 times 2. And down at the bottom, we have 1 times q times 2 times q. So that's just going to be 2 times q squared. Because q times q is just q squared. And finally, we can actually just take one more step. I can actually cancel out the 2 and the 2. So we end up with 3 over q squared. That's it. Alright, now the next one. 5n minus 1 times 7n all over 14n squared. And I'll just write the n squared as n times n, just to make things easier to see. So just times 10 n minus 1. Okay. Now n minus 1, n minus 1, they cancel out. One of these n's, or rather that n can cancel out with one of these n's. 5 and 10, I can divide both by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 10 divided by 5 is just 2. And I guess that's all I can do. So we're left with just 1 times 7 in the numerator. And down below, we have 4 times n times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, so we get 8n. And that's it. We have 7 over 8n, and that's the final answer.